I'm really pleased to say that in a market which has been slowing, Hindustan Unilever has delivered competitive growth with a very strong improvement in operating margin. Our domestic consumer business grew by 7%, and this was driven by an underlying volume growth of 4%, which is ahead of market growth. This underlying volume growth is after absorbing about 80 basis points of adverse impact arising from the upstocking we had done at the end of March in preparation for the transport strike, which was to start on 1st April. So in other words, in effective terms, the underlying volume growth in this quarter was actually 5%, which is now the third consecutive quarter, starting from December quarter 2012, that we've delivered a 5% underlying volume growth in effective terms. This in a context when market growth has been slowing. Coming to our various segments and categories, soaps and detergents continue to deliver broad-based and profitable growth, with growth in this quarter led by Lifebuoy, Lux, Dove, and Breeze. In our laundry business, Surf and Rin continue to grow in double digits, while Vim led the growth in household care. In personal products, market growth continued to be very, very slow. Despite this, we have delivered strong double-digit growth across hair care, oral care, and color cosmetics. Within skincare, we saw strong double-digit underlying volume growth in Pond's, Lakme, and Dove. Fair & Lovely continued to hold a strong market position in the mass skin lightening segment. However, growth in the quarter was impacted by the challenging market as well as a high base in the prior year, driven by the relaunch which took place in June quarter 2012. We have put in place plans to increase and accelerate the momentum of growth in Fair & Lovely going forward. Coming to our beverages business, it sustained its strong double-digit growth performance with accelerated growth in tea. In packaged foods, growth was led by Kisan and Knorr soups. Pureit, our water purifier brand, continued to strengthen its leadership position in the purifier market. Our drivers of growth continue to be innovation and strong in-market execution. In challenging times of slowing market growth, it is really important that HUL continues to invest both in bringing innovation to the market and in supporting our brand strongly, which will bode well for the future. And that is exactly what we have done in this quarter. There were a series of innovations we brought to the market. To name a few, the launch of Surf Excel detergent liquid, the launch of Vim liquid dishwash, the launches in Lakme and Pond's. We launched the Pond's BB cream and the Lakme CC cream, a range of innovations in hair across Sunsilk Radiant Shine in Dove, and a keratin variant in Tresemme. A series of innovations across our HPC business. Similarly, in foods and beverages, a range of premium teas under Taj Mahal, a Knorr ready-to-cook variant that we launched, and a range of innovations under Quality Walls. In addition, in this quarter, we brought two new brands to the market. We launched Magnum range of ice creams in the quarter with an initial launch in the city of Chennai with very positive initial results. In addition, a range of premium hair care and styling offerings were launched to top-end salons under the TG brand. So you can see this has been a quarter of really bringing a lot of innovations which will really enable HUL and position it very, very well going forward. At the same time, we continue to invest strongly behind our brands. Our A&P spend was maintained at competitive levels and investments increased by 70 crores, which is a higher level by 20 basis points. And finally, I think all of this demonstrates that our commitment to what we call winning today and winning tomorrow is absolutely sustained. Coming to the rest of the P&L, operating profit increased by 12%, which is an expansion of 70 basis points in operating margins. This, as I mentioned, is after stepping up our investment in A&P and therefore reflects the track record of both investing competitively for growth and improving our operating margins. Profit after tax and before exceptional items was up by 4% in the quarter, and net profit at just under 1020 crores was, of course, lower than the prior quarter,